Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage shop menu in Woocommerce. This is essential for organizing your online store's navigation and making it easy for customers to find products and important pages. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that's connected to your Woocommerce store. Now that you're in your dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Appearance. Click on it and you'll see an expanded menu appear with several options. From these options, click on Menus. This section is where all your site's navigation menus are managed, including your shop menu that we're focusing on today. You'll now find yourself on the website menu customization page. This is the control center for all your menus. Look towards the top side of your screen and find the option that says Select a menu to edit. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and from the list that appears, select Shop Menu. This is the specific menu that controls your WooCommerce store's navigation structure. Once you've selected the Shop menu, you'll notice the customization interface opens up. On the left side of your screen, you'll see menu items organized into different categories. These categories include pages, posts, custom links, categories, formats, and WooCommerce endpoints. Each category has a drop-down arrow. Click on any drop-down to reveal the available links within that category. This is where you can choose exactly what items you want to appear in your shop menu. Take your time browsing through these options and select the links that make sense for your store's navigation. For example, you might want to add product categories, a cart page, or checkout page. To add an item, simply click on the checkbox next to it. You can select multiple items from different categories if needed. Once you've checked all the items you want to include, click the Add to Menu button. After clicking Add to Menu, you'll see these items appear in the menu structure section on the right side of your screen. This section visually demonstrates how your menu will look and allows you to drag and drop items to rearrange their order. You can create submenus by dragging items slightly to the right under Parent Items, which creates a hierarchical structure. Once you've arranged everything to your satisfaction and confirmed that all necessary links are added, locate the Save Menu button and click it. This finalizes all your changes and makes them live on your WooCommerce store. Your customers will now see the updated shop menu with all the navigation options you've configured, and that's it. You've successfully managed and customized your shop menu in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.